everyone, how are you doing all? So as the winter have already come, so today I'm making a few dishes. This is what I'm making is a peanut laddu. It is made up of peanut, very cheap, not that expensive. So what you need to do is boil milk in a pan, and I have put this much early because I need to reduce this milk to a quantity. So I'm just moving it around because it needs to get thickened up. And what I have taken is I have dry roast the peanuts, you can check this, and I have added a little bit of milk. Now I am going to paste this. Now I am making a paste out of this. It has to be a fine paste. It has to be a fine paste with milk. I need to make a little bit more of it. See, this is how it is going to come. So it has to be more of pasty. Little bit is left. Now you can check the paste is already made. Now what I'll do, the milk is already boiling. I'll bring it to a low heat and I'll add this paste to it. Take every bit of it. Keep on stirring this. Now you can see I have mixed the peanut paste to it. Now it has to get boiled and it will become a dough actually. We are making laddu. So it will take a little time. Have a lot of patience you need to have because it will become a dough. And these are good for cancer patient because I have it. I usually add gur jaggery to it because sugar is not good for our health. So you can either separate it and add sugar to jaggery to it and add separately sugar for the kids and your husband. So you can have it, definitely you can have it. These are the things that you need to maintain little bit. Now see, as you can see, I have dry roast the til. So you are going to add little bit of til to it. Now we are going to stir it with lot of patience. It is a very long process, but it will be very tasty. I can bet on that. Hi friends, now you can see the texture. It has come down. It will be a dough as I said, so it has become little tight. I have added dry coconut also to this. So it is now, I haven't added the sugar till now because it needs to get thickened first and then I'm going to add the sugar. Now you can see the thickness. It is totally like, it's almost like a dough. So it will dry up more. It's little time consuming as you can check. It's taking a lot of time, but it will really taste good. Almost 15 to 20 minutes. So let us keep on doing it. And thank you so much for liking my video, subscribing for it. It's a great like I would say inspiration for me. As you know, I'm a cancer patient. It's okay, that's not a problem. Everybody have got their own sickness and all, but I'm not sad for that. But you have so much cooperated, coordinated with me, and you like my videos. That is the best part. And since I love cooking, this is my passion and I love to do it, and that is the reason I'm doing it, and really I love this doing. And please continuously keep on moving it, or it may get stick to the bottom. Now I'm adding little bit of sugar. Sugar is not required that much. It's just 3 to 4 tablespoon of sugar. That is enough. Don't add too much of sugar because already it is very sweetened. Now keep on stirring it. As I said, and so I'm adding a little bit of jaggery also to this. Since I have mentioned on the video, so it is better I show it to you that I am adding to this. Usually we separate it and I make it separately for myself. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon of ghee, so it will smell also good. This is for the kids, they love to have ghee, so it's like a little bit, 1.5 spoon. The sweet I have removed it from the oven. I have removed the sweet from the oven, and now I am just dry roasting the besan just to make a dough out of it. Now I am adding this besan to this sweet. Now we are going to mix this also to this. You need to have big muscles to move this, a lot of strength. Hi buddies, see. Buddies, now you can see my laddus are ready, but it has not dried up that much, like it is still little hot, little hot. So I'm just making it to show it to you. When it will be totally cold, then you will find it to be very nice and crispy laddus. Size is depend on you how you're going to make it, but I can assure you your children, your husband will love it. This is very full of protein and very good for your health also. We have added ghee to it, so it is very good for your health. Thank you so much for loving my channel, my videos that I'm making, and always being there for me. Kindly give your suggestion or whatever other recipes you want to see. I will be there to assist you. And if you have any suggestion, kindly give it so that we can follow your suggestion and your advice. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.